Here I have Huawei Nova 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow-mo, and basically here you can record videos in slow-mo. So I'm just gonna record this toilet paper spin just as usual. So let's get it. Okay, so we have it. Now let's check it out. As you can see, it spins extremely slow, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. So yeah, that's how you can easily record videos in slow motion. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.